and here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and we are watching the teaching doc. And today we'll be discussing my total stock photography earning from the month of August. Okay. Now before discussing, okay, you may be a beginner and you might be thinking by seeing numbers that, oh, it's so impossible. It is not. I was also once a beginner. Okay, so if you are just starting out, please know that I have taken 3 years of time to build my portfolio, so the numbers you might be seeing may not be as good as you, right? And many of you are already there who is earning more than me. So if you have not started stock photography yet, please check the links in my description so that you can sign up for stock photography, and I have individual guides regarding each and every agency. So first let me tell you, I had no earnings in Alami in the month of August. You can see 0 sales. No earning in Blackbox, okay, no video sold, no earning in Pond 5, okay, which is quite surprising because just last month Pond 5 was my top 5 best seller. So it always happens, few times it is okay, few times it is down, right? Next, on Bigstock I had 3 sales in the month of August. I have made an Excel sheet, I will be showing you very shortly. So 3 sales, $0.25 each. Fine, okay. On Canstock I got only 1 sale that happened on the August 30th, on the almost the last day of the month. So 1 sale, $0.25 US, right? On Stockerwill on the month of August I got only 1 sale, $1.2. Okay, Stockerwill gives a huge revenue. I think it's more than any website, right? And Picxy, very strange. In Picxy, yesterday the website was not opening, but today when I opened it, I saw I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sales in Picxy in the month of August. Most are my baby and my wife. So you can see I have its total Indian money 179 rupee, $2.47 US. I have converted it. But you know, Picxy right now they are doing very late in reviewing your photos. Okay, I have already eligible for a redeem my money. Right, I don't know what will happen, but let's see. I'll make a separate video if the money actually comes to my bank from Picxy. Okay, then I will say please keep uploading to Picxy, but for now I think they are not maintaining the website properly, so you can stop uploading. I have uploaded this in last 1 year. Recently I have not uploaded in Picxy. Okay, in IEM, very interesting. In IEM I have reached my payout limit. Actually you know what, I have reached my payout limit in Bigstock as well. You can see $31 US, minimum payout is $30, so I'll be withdrawing the money very soon. Anyways, in IEM I had 34 sales. So in IEM, till you draw your payout, total number of sales are shown, right? So in this month, in last month there was 11 sales, so I think it is around 18 to 19 sales in IEM. I have calculated the exact value in the Excel sheet. So IEM was good, okay, not bad. I had really a good number of sales in IEM. In Dreamstime it was not bad. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sales in Dreamstime. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sales in Dreamstime in August, and already on 1st September I got 1 sale. So this will actually go into September sales update. Okay, so I have not included this one. In deposit photos, again total number of sales in August are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 photos sold in deposit photos. In Wirestock, okay, very interesting. In Wirestock I had 10 sales total and $6.82 US. In 123 RF for the month of August I had 9 sales and $2.47 US, right? I hope you already saw my video on iStock. Okay, iStock actually it's actually the month of sales of July that is revealed in August, so we'll be calculating that only. I had 111 photos sold in iStock and $42.1 US. This is my top third. Okay, so what is my top second? Quite surprisingly, top second is Adobe Stock. Okay, in Adobe Stock in last 1 month, I mean from August 1st to August 31st, I got 17 downloads but $54 US. Why this amount is so big? Maybe this is the direct payment from nominating my assets on Adobe Stock, which I did only 1 time, and then I told you please don't nominate. So actually it's good and bad. Good in the sense that I got $54 in this month, but bad in the sense for the next 1 year I will not be getting any sales from these files. So I think I predict here that my Adobe Stock earning from subsequent months will be very low. It will not be no longer be in my top 5. Let's see if I am right or wrong. And naturally the number one best seller for me as always have been Shutterstock. You can see my total unpaid earning is now $1.75 because I already reached the payout limit and it was paid out. Money will be soon coming to PayPal, but I can show you my exact screenshot. First time I reached $150. I crossed $152 actually, and I had 126 sales in August. I already got 4 sales in September, 2 days September. Okay, nice. So this is my total value. So let me show you. Well, my top 5 earning agencies are Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, IEM and Wirestock. Interesting, very interesting. And these are my values from those agencies. $152 from Shutterstock, 54 Adobe, 42 iStock, 7.93 total IEM, because from the $11 that you saw, okay, this is IEM. From the $11, the residual amount was in the last month. Okay, so I have calculated the exact amount. So in this month I had 7.9, almost $8 sale in IM. Wirestock 6.82, then followed by Dreamstime 123 RF. My phone is ringing. Anyway, Dreamstime 123 RF, Picxy, deposit photos, etc. So, and you can see 0 sale. I will mark pond 5 in red because no sale from pond 5. Okay, I'm so sad. Anyway, so this is it. You can see $276 from 326 photos. Okay, 200 rupee. Okay, in Indian money. So that's it guys. If you have watched this video till now, please type the code word butter in the comment section. आप अगर butter word लिखेंगे तो मुझको पता चलेगा आप ये वीडियो अब तक देख रहे हैं. And if you have not started stock photography yet, feel free to sign up on the stock photography agencies using my link in the description. Please hit the thumbs up, please hit the like on this video, because that way it helps the video, to reach more audience and they may get motivated. Okay, so thanks for watching and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.